If you think AI is coming for factory jobs first, you're already behind. AI isn't attacking the bottom of the workforce. It's replacing the middle quietly, politely, and legally. Account managers, analysts, designers, customer support, marketing roles, operations. If your income depends on a screen, this video is not optional. And the scariest part, most people losing these jobs don't even realize why. For decades, the middle class survived by being skilled. If you were educated, competent, and reliable, you were safe. That era is over. Companies no longer hire for skill. They hire for speed, scale, and cost. AI didn't replace workers. It replaced processes. A task that once required 3 analysts, 40 hours, and thousands of dollars now takes one person, 10 minutes, and a few dollars in AI credits. There was no announcement, no warning email, no press conference. They just stopped rehiring. And here's where it gets worse. Right now, there are 3 groups of people. The first group ignored AI. They said it wouldn't affect them. Those are the layoffs you see on the news. The second group tried AI the wrong way. They treated it like a toy, a chatbot, a novelty. They worked just as hard and still fell behind. Then there's the third group, the most dangerous group. They're still employed, still getting paid, but they don't realize their job is being measured against AI output every single day. Their managers aren't asking if AI can replace them. They're asking how much of that role AI can absorb before costs get cut. That's why the middle class is shrinking without protest. No strikes. No riots. Just quiet exits. But this is where the story flips. The people winning with AI aren't geniuses. They're not coders. They're not working harder. They're doing one thing differently. They use AI to remove friction, not chase hype. They don't ask how to make money with AI. They ask which part of their work is slow, repetitive, or expensive. Then they automate that. Instead of competing with AI, they control workflows. They become one-person teams, high-output operators, decision makers, not task doers. AI doesn't reward effort anymore. It rewards leverage, and the middle class was built for stability, not leverage. That's why this shift feels uncomfortable. And it's not slowing down, it's accelerating. Some people will adapt early, most will react late. This channel exists for people who want to understand AI before it decides for them. If you want to stay ahead of this shift, subscribe, because the middle class isn't disappearing, it's being redefined.